everybody, what is up? It is time again for another quick episode. If you watched the last episode, got that Fender mostly cleaned and polished up. Now we're gonna put it on to red. So we're gonna do a quick video about it. The only thing that you're gonna need to do this is a 12mm wrench. So the tool list is pretty short. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Okay guys, so this is gonna be pretty straightforward. We have two bolts here, two bolts on the other side. We're gonna go ahead and take off all 4 bolts. We wanna make sure that these brackets go to the inside of the fender. That way the brake line is mounted correctly. Luckily, the old owner ended up putting the nuts back in, so that is one less thing that I have to worry about. I'm just taking out all 4 of these bolts here just to kind of see where we're at here. There's 3 and 1 more makes 4. On the speedometer cable here, there's this little rubber piece. Hopefully you can see that. There's this little rubber piece right here. And that rubber piece actually pops in to that hole. So that's what tells us which way this fender is to go, which is going to be this way. So it's always good to check those things out, right? So once again, make sure. There we go. That one's in there. You also want to make sure that you're not cross-threading or anything like that. This is a pretty straightforward install, but we want to make sure that nothing bad is happening here. So now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side here. Okay, so now that we have them on here for the most part, we're going to go ahead and we're going to snug them up. So I usually try to get them finger tight first, just to make it a little bit easier once you start cranking down on it. I don't know necessarily about using a socket on here, just because the rim's right there, and so it's pretty tight on the clearances. Let me go ahead and take care of the other side now. Okay, so we're all done. I know this was a small project, but doesn't she look a lot better? Big Red's definitely getting a facelift, isn't she? There is a little bit of pitting still. We went through a previous video and tried to hit that with some steel wool, but all in all, I think it looks better. It looks more original, and I kind of like keeping these bikes for the most part original. So if you like what you saw in this video or any of my other videos, please, I implore you, feel free to click that like, click that subscribe button. Take care, everybody. Have a great day.